I'm going to show you a quicker way and a much easier way of deleting the background. So first of all, just unlock your bottom layer. Now I want you to go over and select your quick selection tool. We are still going to try the select subject over here and let your computer catch up. Only press it once. And as you can see now, my subject has been selected, but a few bits and pieces have not been. So just before you do the next step, just make sure that the bits that you want are selected. Double check everything. Okay, looking pretty good. Now, what we're going to do is go over to select and mask up the top here. Okay, so all you've done so far is select subject once, and now we're going to select and mask. So yours might come up a little differently than mine because mine's remembered all the things I've been doing. Have a little bit of a play around here. Keep your transparency on high. You should have this refine edge brush tool selected on the side. Hopefully everything looks like mine when you select it, when you open up this preface. So just go along here and play around until you have like a nice soft edge. Your radius shouldn't change too much by playing around with it. Maybe just keep it up high. You don't need to worry about, sorry, my computer's very slow today. You don't need to worry about, it just does that sometimes when it's, when it lags a little bit. Keep your smooth like normal. I would have your feather halfway because you'll be wanting yours to, as you can see, that's too much feathering. It's too soft around the profile. And if I jump back all the way down, it's getting a little bit too edgy here. It's not too bad, but I want you to kind of jump up until you're happy with the feathering. Just so it's got a little bit of a soft, excuse me, glow around your head. Okay, and your contrast, just have a play around until it's a nice clean edge and it doesn't look too jagged. Okay, and your shift edge. Yeah, just keep them similar to mine. All right, sorry, my computer is really lagging here, so I'm going to hurry this up. Very important though, once you've finished all that, that you have changed the output here. Change that to selection, please. Very important you're doing that. So have a play around until you're happy with your edges. As you can see, eventually I'm going to have to cut these bits out later on, but all I want you to do is play with that, output to selection, press OK. Okay, remember to have unlocked your background. So now we're going to do what we've always done and inverse and press delete. Okay, so now your edges aren't as bad as what they could have been with just normal selection. Go back to inverse again. So now we've just deleted the background. Now we're reselecting our subject and we're going to go to copy. So now I've copied what we've cut out and go across to one of your backgrounds and edit and paste it on there. As you can see, this is a lot better than my previous cutouts. So go to your move tool, move it where it needs to be. Now hold down shift before you start moving it. Have shift held down the entire time before you let go. Okay, shift keeps it all in proportion. Once you're happy with how you've put it, you can press enter or this tick button up the top. If it's pixelated, you know you haven't done the tick yet. Okay, and now it's just a simple thing of just changing the overlay now and choosing one that you feel like works best. For your, as you can see, different overlays do different things, which is pretty cool. So have a play around with whatever you think works best for you. Even some of the divides, yeah. So that's all you need to be doing for this assessment. And then once you're happy with how it looks, you can right click on this, merge visible, file, save as, and then save as. Okay. Good luck.